Oh, paano? Sige, i-document natin para clear, para clear.
Akin na. Ikaw ang magsabi.
Wala akong sasalita.
Ikaw. Ayan.
Ano mangyayari?
Okay, sige. Explain mo kung anong position mo, sinong babantayan mo, and sinong babantayan mo pagkatapos mo bantayan si Patrick.
Hindi, ayoko magbuhat na sarili kong bangko, dapat siya magsabi. O kaya kayo.
Pat, what can you say about what he said?
No comment. No judgment. Be gentle.
First time.
Lockdown D. Virgin ako.
Ano yung alimango D?
Alimango D, man.
Ano, 1-1 na nga lang. Right?
Sample.
Masyado yung lakas ng type. May ano pala. John, kasi papalit ng damit ha. Yung parisod mo ha.
Kanina yan, bali.
Gusto makita yung mga preview ng matchup bukas?
What do you want, Joseph? You want that?
Sa akin bola, no?
Open it.
That's not bad. That's a bitch. Alimango defense.
Oh, ginagawa ko pa rin. Nakakapit siya pagkakawak. Tapos pag long-legged ka eh.
Siyempre naman.
Slim legs.
Binantaan mo na ba?
Ha? Alam niyo na yan. Alam niyo na yan.
Ano muscle? 20% muscle. 0% fat.
What is this for?
Yeah. Like, y'all keep smiling, man.
Power?
Till the game.
Nalaro mo ba?
Is that
See, like, yo, I'm doing all the.
Ilan tayo ngayon?
We're gonna back it up.
Gonna back it up.
My reputation's on the line, man.
Yo, what you gonna do? Alimango D.
You're right.
Shut him down.
Lockdown defense.
Alright, anong prediction?
Deny him the ball, no. Deny him the ball.
Anong predictions para kay Pat? 0 points.
0, man. 0.
Pat, 0 points ka daw, tsaka 30 minutes playing time. 30 minutes
Averaging
playing time, 0
20 inbounds
points.
per game, no.
Ilang turnover, tsaka ilang stick.
2 minutes to count.
2 minutes in 30 minutes.
20 inbounds per game.
Na-
Class in defense? Alimango defense.
Napalo ka ba ng belt ng tatay mo nung bata ka?
Point! Hanggang point ka na lang. 1 point.
Kaso wala free throw eh.
Okay.
Wala, di rin kami marunong mag-free-throw ni Mon eh. Okay lang yan.
Lalaki kasi ng
Ay,
bicep.
1 point na yun. Yung ano pa eh. Jump yun, no.
Jump.
Kanina yung bola.
You see this number? That's how many fouls someone again.
Jaworski!
Big J eh.